Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. Today we've been working on a Range Rover SV Vogue Autobiography. An amazing bit of kit and it's spec'd to the highest possible levels. One thing this customer was missing was video in motion. So that's why we've upgraded this particular vehicle with exactly that. So we can do loads of different solutions for different vehicles for video in motion, so just get in contact with us and we'll guide you through exactly what's possible on your particular vehicle. But if you own one of these and you're looking to add video in motion, it's a really cool option and it looks completely factory too, which is one of the reasons why this customer selected us and also this particular product. So these products that we use for video in motion as well as our reversing camera solutions integrated into factory screens is from a company called Nav TV. An amazing bit of kit, and they've got their website which you can go through and look at their products, and also it shows some of their pricing on there for the actual units. The only thing we've got to add on is any optional extras that you wanted as well as the installation. But if you get in contact with them, they'll guide you through what you need and also put you in contact with us as well. So all our work is carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, and this customer has travelled quite a distance to us to have his work carried out. So it looks completely factory, and what this system allows you to do if you own one of these vehicles is watch your television or DVD while on the move. So it looks completely factory, and the way it basically operates is as you're driving along, you press on DVD, you double press on the rear heater windscreen, and what that does, it allows the video in motion interface to activate, and then it will play on your factory screen while you're driving along. And that's on your factory television as well as DVD, depending obviously on the spec of your vehicle. This has both of them and it does work on both of them, which works really nicely and a completely OEM look. Everything's completely hidden away. This can all be carried out on this particular vehicle in one day. So if you're adding any other extras while your vehicle's in with us, obviously it might take a little bit longer. However, this particular install just by itself can be carried out within one day. So this is completely factory look, it adds loads of extra functionality. So please don't forget to like and share this video, but also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload videos constantly and we're doing more and more of them because we know you love them and we know we want to see exactly what we're getting up to and all the other installs we're carrying out. So don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the latest videos. But once again, it's a very short video just to show you how the video in motion system works on a Range Rover Vogue SV Autobiography. So thank you very much and we look forward to upgrading your car soon.